We now very briefly will move through the three EICASLAB operative modes, showing how the user works. In modeling and like real-time simulation operative mode, you design and implement three pre-organized working areas, specifically designed to support and guide your system design. The plant area, devoted to model the plant to be controlled, the control area, where the overall control system architecture and the control algorithm are implemented, and the mission area for the generation of control references and for modeling the disturbances acting on the plant. Since the beginning, in the first operative mode, you are called to declare what will be the structure of your control system in the final target, and then to schedule each activity of the three working areas. Such data will be taken as a basis to allow to perform like real-time simulations, capable to faithfully emulate the execution of the control architecture running on the final target. In this operative mode, EICASLAB generates your application software that can be tested and debugged like real-time in a simulated environment by means of the SIM tool. The mode is exploited with the EICASLAB RCP platform, that we recall being a standard PC, with installed the EICASLAB suite and a Windows or Linux operative system. In the second operative mode, the rapid control prototyping, you execute your control strategies in real time on the EICASLAB RCP platform directly connected with the real plant. To run your activities, moving from a like real-time to a real-time environment, you just need your EICASLAB RCP platform, and it could be the same one already used in the previous operative mode. With installed a real-time operative system, two versions are available, Linux RT and Linux RTI, equipped with the EICASLAB suite and suitable hardware input-output devices to allow the connection with the real plant. In practice, in this phase, you work in real time on the EICASLAB RCP platform, the control, and if you want, the mission area, while in place of the activities of the plant area and of the plant mission area, you directly act on the real plant. Again, we point out that the software running in real time on the platform is composed by the application software, exactly the same one already generated and tested in the previous mode, and the RCP basic software, automatically generated by EICASLAB, able to schedule in real time all the activities of your control system and to manage the hardware input-output interfaces towards the real plant. The third operative mode, the target, is composed by two submodes, called on-field validation test and hardware in the loop. The on-field validation test is a submode devoted to perform the final simulation campaign with the final target acting on the real plant. You just need to transfer in your target the software code automatically generated by EICASLAB, composed by the application software, typically related to the control area and possibly to the control mission area, already tested in the two previous modes, and the target basic software generated in this sub-mode, able to schedule in real time the target activities and to manage the input-output interfaces to enable the connection of the target with the real plant. After this operation, you can execute your experimental campaign. To support the campaign, if desired, you can again use the RCP platform, connected with the target and acting as host computer, supervisor, and more in general offering instruments for trials management, data recording and monitoring. For instance, you can decide to run the control mission on the RCP platform and the control area activities on the target. To manage these operations, a special tool is integrated in the EICASLAB suite called Target Manager. The second target submode, named Hardware in the Loop, is devoted to test your control strategies installed in your final target against a simulated plant before directly acting on the real plant. Typically, such a phase allows to check the correct integration of the control software on the final target. In this sub-mode, you just work with the EICASLAB RCP platform and the target. On the RCP platform, you run in real time the desired part of the plant and of the mission, while the control algorithm runs in real time on the final target. The generated software is composed by the application software, split between the RCP platform and the target, the RCP basic software running on the RCP platform, scheduling the activities running on the RCP platform and managing the RCP platform input-output interfaces, and the target basic software running on the target, scheduling the target activities and managing the target interfaces. The overall trial can be managed through the EICASLAB Hill Manager running on the EICASLAB RCP platform. During the hardware-in-the-loop execution, data can be visualized on the Hill Manager tool, and recording functions can be activated to save on the disk all the variables of interest to allow a further post-processing analysis.